The WikiWiki Management Company is part of the Appia Group, a company that has developed Appia Drone Tech, specializing in the future technology of industrial drones. Our company is headquartered in Romania, more precisely in Târgu Mureș, under the leadership of Mr. Biro Saba. Appia Drone Tech, ADT, manufactures and sells agricultural drones while providing crop spraying and analysis services in various agricultural areas. Our drones are designed to assist farmers and simplify the process of crop spraying. These crop spraying drones are renowned for their efficient operation, as they do not harm the plants, allowing access to fields with challenging soil conditions that conventional machinery cannot reach. Compared to traditional methods, our ADT drones not only result in fuel savings but can also reduce water consumption by up to 90% during the crop spraying process. This is achieved by covering the plants with much finer droplets. We are the only company in Romania that provides training and assistance for obtaining a pilot's license within the country. This offers significant advantages to farmers because most commercial companies offer such training abroad. The year 2023 has brought exciting opportunities for us. Sales have shown dynamic growth in the first half of the year, surpassing the previous year's figures. Throughout the year, we plan to introduce new, innovative models to further enhance our efficiency and market presence. One of the standout moments in 2023 is the introduction of the ADT Falcon 50L model, which is a drone with a 50 to 70 liter capacity, and it's a unique pioneer in the European agricultural drone market. We are also proud to present our new fixed-wing monitoring drone, which we are unveiling for the first time here at the Hanover Fair. Appia Drone Tech's commitment to agricultural technology and innovation continues to promise growth and a successful future for both the company and those who are advocates of efficient and sustainable agriculture. Our goal remains to support farmers in making their work more efficient through agricultural drones. For Appia Drone Tech, there are no limits in the future.